Hello friends, today we are going to speak about a very sensitive topic. Whether you should take coaching or not take coaching for your SSB interview. To explain this, I would like to divide the candidates into three categories. The first category is the category of candidates who are made for the defense forces. Whether they take coaching or whether they do not take coaching, they will get recommended. This is a very small percentage of candidates, say around 5%. The second category is the category of candidates who are not made or not meant for defense forces. This is a big chunk of candidates, coming to around 50% of the candidates. Whether they take coaching or again do not take coaching, they are not going to get recommended. And the most important category or the third category is the category of the students who may or may not get recommended based on their personality assessment and how they project themselves during the SSB. This is roughly around 45% of the candidates. The percentages are just for illustrative requirements and are not actual percentages. Let me give a beautiful example from one of my favorite movies to say what I want to say today. This movie is Three Idiots. And let me compare few characters with these categories. I name these categories as category yes, category no and category maybe. In the yes category, we can directly take and put Rancho, who is a fit candidate. You give him whatever coaching you want, you don't give him any coaching, he will do very well in whatever he is doing. In the second category, we can put Farhan and Joy, who are either not wanting to join but trying because of various pressures, or who are incapable of doing what they want to do with that much of effort. And in the last category, the maybe category, we can put Chatur and Raju. Chatur, who is extremely intelligent and capable. Raju is really hard working. Why I put Rancho in number one category? He is a person who wants to learn from everywhere. You remember that dialogue where he says,
कहता था चारों तरफ ज्ञान बढ़ रहा है, जहां से मिले लपेट लो.
Farhan and Joy just gave up. He could not sustain the pressure. Similarly, Farhan,
मुझे नहीं समझ आती इंजीनियरिंग. बन भी गया ना तो बहुत खराब इंजीनियर बनूंगा अब्बा.
from inside was not feeling like he should do engineering. He took up his own profession and did very well there. Now in our last category we have put Chatur as well as Raju. Chatur is extremely intelligent, where he could have done so much more, but he took the guidance given literally.
मतलब नहीं चाहिए दुबे जी, मैं याद कर लेंगे. I'll memorize it.
And hence failed at various occasions. Raju, despite not having that much of capability, with his efforts could sustain everything. In fact,
दोनों टांगे तुड़वा के अपने पैरों पे खड़ा होना सीखा है सर. बड़ी मुश्किल से आएगा एटीट्यूड. नहीं होगा सर. आप अपनी नौकरी रख लीजिए. मैं अपना एटीट्यूड रख लेता हूँ. आई एम सॉरी, डोंट माइंड सर.
but he could do well in his life. Now, let us take the example of the speech that Chatur is giving. In that speech, Chatur has taken lot of coaching and the instructor is also very happy. And what he says there?
सर, फूल वो रहे हैं पर शब्द हमारे हैं.
But Do you know what happened there? You know the result, right? Whatever he did, though as per him it was his best performance, but was it an original performance? If we do this in the SSB, then be sure that you will get chamatkar there. There are various kinds of coaching what we can take. Few coaching work on your outer shell, that is your TAT, VAT, excellent or best answers for your interview questions, beautiful stories, good SD and ready-made GT solutions. Do you think this will really work? People who are intelligent, they would learn from them and perform from there within. But many people from category C or maybe category, they get harmed by this. They try to follow it blindly by repeating cockeyed stories, giving pathetic or prepared responses, and they still expect that they should get recommended because they feel they are good. Yes, you are good, but are you really displaying your own personality there? If you do and you don't get recommended, then yes, you may not be really fit enough to be in the defense forces. But if you wear a mask and go and perform and you do not get recommended, then you will not even come to know that why you could not get recommended, whether you are really capable. You have to build your foundation to erect a big building. There are various dimensions like your emotional dimension, your value dimensions, your physical dimensions and your intellectual dimensions. If we are not working on these dimensions and just try to polish our face and front, will it really work? No, right? So let us start working on that. Think what I have said. We have various videos, various coaching academies available across the country, giving all types of information and data. But you are the right judge. You should see what you are getting into. Demand generates the supply. Most of the candidates, including the ones from maybe and yes, no to 100%, they want things ready-made. एक गोली दे दो या चाबी दे दो जिससे मेरा काम बन जाए. Whatever happens, I should get recommended. पाथ या रास्ते से हमें कोई लेना देना नहीं है. I want the goal and hook or crook I should reach there. If you have that intent, then let me tell you, you are watching wrong videos or you are following the wrong channel here. You will never get what you should say or what is the best answer. But we show you the path of the way you should follow for preparing yourself from within. I am not trying to say that other institutes, academies are bad. They are trying their best. They are giving what the candidates want. There are few who really work upon the candidates and their personality to develop them into good human beings so that when they go to SSB, they are projecting themselves and getting recommended on their own strengths instead of trying to portray as something different, then getting not recommended. You may ask me that how do candidates get recommended from other institutes as well? Of course they will get, because they may be from yes category or maybe category where the maybe's candidate has really worked upon themselves. Instead of taking whatever is taught to them literally, they have worked on them and they could present themselves in a good way. Thus, let us all not take things on blind faith and start putting efforts in building ourselves from within. As it is always said, अपने आप को इतना बुलंद करो कि आपको एसएसबी में जाके भीख मांगने की जरूरत ना पड़े, वो तुम्हें बुला के वहां रेकमेंड करे. मेक योरसेल्फ दैट मच केपेबल.
किसी महापुरुष ने कहा है कि कामयाब होने के लिए नहीं, काबिल होने के लिए पढ़ो. सक्सेस के पीछे मत भागो, एक्सेलेंस का पीछा करो. सक्सेस झक मार के तुम्हारे पीछे आएगी.
Never copy anybody, never take anybody's advice on blind faith. Do watch and join AFOSOP privileged batch if possible, where we show the path on how you can achieve success by your own effort and not by anything ready-made. Keep watching our various videos. Click the link in the description for our previous videos. I take interview sessions as well as individual interviews in the AFOSOP privileged batch. Do contact us on this number. If you want to message me, you can message me on 7088993444 by WhatsApp. We will surely be in touch and looking forward to meet you. Thank you. Jai Hind.